Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, electric shift on the fly transfer case, tires, LT275/70R18 EAL on off-road, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift control, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat.